I'm about to go take some Rumba classes tonight. This will be my second session out of 6 sessions that I paid for. I'm gonna film a little bit just so I can show you what it's like, and maybe that will encourage you to go take some dance classes or even Rumba. So let's go.
Ready, and slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, slow, quick, Rumble walks 1, 2, 3, 4. Push forward, ladies. 5, 6, 7. Side close. Push forward. 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 Side close. And try to go up. Quick, go up. Rumble walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Side close.
Hi, I am about to take a pottery class. I am very excited. It's something I've always wanted to pursue and I haven't. But I am trying something that is out of my comfort zone. It's something I've always wanted to pursue. I always had like an excuse. I don't have time. I don't have the money. I don't have someone to go with. But I'm just doing it. I'm going by myself. I paid the money. I have the time. So let's do this. Have you ever like gotten clay burn? You ever like do it too fast and the particles kind of?
So actually, great, interesting question. So clays are nice and plastic. So if you want to just give it a little tug back and forth, that looks like it's good and stuck. So that's the main thing we need. You're doing great. So now we're gonna take a handful of water. Go ahead and splash that clay. And then this is where we're all gonna do our Macho Man Randy Savage. We're gonna bend at the waist, elbows out, wrists back, and use the base of your palms. So kind of like your hands are kind of like this, and then you're gonna squeeze at 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock. So bring your hands kind of forward a little bit. There you go. And get those elbows on your knees, and then squeeze, and then follow it up. Now there are some mantras that I like to have in the back of my head when I'm doing this. And if they start, if you start sticking or getting warm or rough, add more water. It's super. It's like,
I feel like Virginia's a good place. I think they have a lot of red clay.
yeah. So Virginia has a lot of earthenware. So like that red earthenware. So the main difference is the temperature that it fires to. So like earthenware fires to about 1800, 1900. North Carolina has a and then putting one hand on top, doesn't matter which one, but I like to start with the clay kind of in the palm of my hand. And then the other hand that's not on top, you're gonna take that elbow and wedge it into your hip. So get it down to your hip socket, push down from above, and then lean into the clay, and then just hold while it's spinning. So, oh, that's what I was getting at. One of the mantras is you always want to use your big muscles rather than your little muscles. So by getting that elbow in your hip, that's letting us use kind of our whole body weight to do the work. talk to the hand, head in the V, whack-a-mole, just like that. Put them down in front of you. So the bottom hand's not touching clay, it's just supporting the top hand. Yeah, it's like stabilization, it's like a fulcrum. And we're gonna bend those top fingers inward a little bit and push straight down in the middle until you feel like you're about a half an inch or an inch from the bottom.
I think I am.
Yeah, it's probably a good place to stop the wheel, and we're gonna borrow a quill from our friendly neighborhood porcupine. Push that needle down in the middle until it stops, and then slide your fingers down the needle until your pointer finger's touching clay, and then kind of pull them out together. And that gap, so you're at an inch, so you want to go a little farther, and you're at about half an inch, so you're right where you want to be.
Okay, perfect.
We just put it back there. When I teach at the high school, we had a container.
Well, hello. I'm about to go take a self-defense class. The lighting is very strange because obviously you can see it is dark out, and I'm filming myself on the mirror of my visor. Might as well use that light, right? But anyways, I am about to go take a self-defense class. Something that I've always wanted to pursue. I think it's essential to know how to take care of yourself and protect yourself.
Yeah, that's one next. Okay. Alright. Best you can do. Go. Oh my god. That's hard to turn.
To use to deflect, intercept, or evade an oncoming attack.
Think of it as die. Deflect, intercept, evade. We're working on evasion today. What we're working on is what's called step slide. So, you're going to be in your defensive position. Going forward, you're going to step 4 to 6 inches and then slide into your defensive position. And then going backward, you're going to step back, same thing, only in reverse. So, everyone go ahead and go to the back of the room. Now, what you're going to do is go into your defensive position. You're going to go forward all the way down, and then you're going to go backward all the way back. Then you're going to switch your feet and do it again. You're capturing it properly. And go.
So they're saying like a statue?
Yep, you're just a statue. Now, I am nice, the statue does not have to be flat. Go ahead and go.
How many level belts are there?
Depends on the system, but most black belts go to 9 while you're alive. And like that gentleman's 10th degree there, but he didn't get the 10th degree from them. It's an honorary position. Now, some styles, like you get the 10th degree, and you got your, I'm sorry, your styles. Oh, I'm 15th degree black belt. Okay, great. Now that we know that your system sucks. Yeah. Yeah, 10th degree is usually the highest. A lot of people don't realize that once you get 4th or 5th, yes, your skill still grows, but you're also older. And a lot of that's based on how well you teach, how well you interact, how well you pass on to others. So if you're dealing with a 25, 26-year-old 4th degree, they're probably a handful. If you're dealing with